Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my video today. I'm going to be doing my lunch meal prep for the week. You know, every Saturday morning I share with you what I'm making for lunch for myself for the week. So I like to have everything prepped, ready to go so I can stay nice and organized and nice and healthy. So for this week, I am going to be using my favorite thing in the universe, these Palmini Hearts of Palm noodles. If you've been around my channel, I use these a lot. You know that. At least once a month, I am making my meal prep with something from the Palmini line of products. But this is Hearts of Palm. It's in the shape of a linguine noodle. Taste looks like noodles, but it is 4 grams of carbs per serving and 20 calories per serving. So in this can, there is 3 servings. So I use 2 cans for my 4 days of meal prep. So it's a little more than 20 calories, a little more than 4 grams of carbs, but still super, super low in calorie and super low in carbs. So I'm going to be doing like a Tuscan pasta for my meal prep this week with my Palmini noodles, and it is going to be so delicious. So if you need some meal prep inspiration, make sure you click subscribe to my channel. Tons of meal prepping. Like I said, every Saturday is my lunch meal prep. So come back every Saturday morning and you can see what I'm having for lunch for the week. Always super easy, simple, healthy. And I just like I said earlier, I just like to have everything prepped and organized so I can stay healthy. I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna have for lunch each day. I can just grab my lunch container and heat it up, or if it's cold lunch, just eat it right away. So I love meal prepping so I can be organized and healthy. So I'm going to get this lunch all made up for the week with my awesome Palmini Hearts of Palm. I'll put a link to these in the description box. I can sometimes get them at Walmart, but I have been getting them more recently from Amazon. So I'll put a link to these from Amazon. They're the same price as the Walmart ones, and it just gets sent to my door. So I'll link these. So good. So if you want to try some, order some from Amazon. Check out that link I'll put in the description box.
All right, so it's so easy. You just take it out of the can, and I just have it, have my strainer in my sink, and you just put all of the Palmini Hearts of Palm in the strainer and then just rinse it with water. Super easy. You don't even have to cook it, but you can, if you want, put it on the stove in like a skillet. But I just put it all in my strainer, strain it and wash it, shake it all out. Sometimes it sticks a little bit, and it is ready to go. So really so easy and so healthy. I absolutely love this stuff.